Alright, this is Josie out in Orlando. We're gonna do box number 3. We did box number 2 in the other video, and that's box number 4 for the final video. So let's go ahead and open up box number 3 and see what kind of goodies we have. If you haven't seen video 1 or 2, I'll put them in the description, as well as I'll try to do a little card up on top here of this video so you can do a little catch up. But box number 1 and 2, box number 1 had a whole bunch of different types, which were nice. Box number 2 has some tights as well, but it also had bathing suits. So we'll see what box number 3 here has. If I can get it open. There you go. Oh, this might be the box of socks, because we're supposed to get socks in here and regular pantyhose. And I think that is what we're gonna get. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh. Let's take a peek. Put my knife down so I don't hurt myself. Ah, so this is the socks box. Cool. Again, stuff that, there you go. I don't know why that was, it was like in super zoom. So this is so far what we see in this box, which is socks, which is cool. Socks can always sell. They sell all the time. This looks kind of nice, this little lace, but let's check it out. So here we have a 6-pack of socks, boys no-show socks, 6 pairs, sizes 38 to 41. So we got 2 pairs of those. Awesome. So I could sell these like that as a 6-pack, and I'm sure that'll be a good sale. Like the other time. No, we'll put it here. There for now. Alright. See some other socks here. We got some toe socks. Well, you can put the toes in there. I've never seen these before. That's kind of cool. Toe socks. So we got, let's see, looks like one, I don't know how many pairs are in there. Let's open one up, check it out. So again, this box has something different than box number 1 and box number 2, which is always good. There you go. So you got 1, 2, 4, 6 pairs in here. There's a nice close-up of the toe socks, and you can see the person with the toes in there. Alright, and this is size, style, one size fits all. It says women's, fits women's shoe size 5 to 10. Cool. So these are nice, and I don't know, my daughter might want a pair of those. So we got 6 pairs of those. There's 6 there, and here's another 6, so we're gonna say 12 of these. Nice. Alright, here what do we have here? We have some capris, size 5, and you can see that's what it looks like there. Nice and colorful. And it says, let's see, this size right there. It says size chart. I'm sure on the front, but it's probably going to be a mix of small, medium, and medium large, because that's what's been coming in these. But that's like another pack of 6, so that's nice. 6 there. There's another 6 here, so we're looking at 12, and you can see the nice pattern on there. Some flower patterns on this one. Oh, the other one too. Oops. Oh, mercy. Sucks getting old. So there's the pattern on that one. Nice pink one. It's nice. Alright. So that's 12 there. What are these fancy things here? Whatever this is, we got a lot of them. There's a couple there, and there's a couple there. Says size medium to large, hand wash only. Let's see if we can get one of these open here. Just 1 second. Take one out. It's probably like pantyhose, if anything. So let's take it out. Yeah. So single leg pantyhose. Very nice. With a very nice lace on top. it's a dark blue or royal blue. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's actually very nice. And they have the size out here. This is medium to large. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6 pack. So that's 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, about 36 of them. Different sizes, so that's cool. They're here on the side. There you go. So far, some pretty good stuff. We got socks and capris and some nice pantyhose there. These look like some more of the ones we got in the other box here. Yeah, the leg gauze, which is just pantyhose. It says high thigh stockings. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the pattern's kind of like a black and white. So we got 12 there. And the 12 here makes 24. And it's about the same kind of black and white pattern. There we go. Let's probably gonna fall over. Here we go, some more tights. It's like a dark charcoal kind of color. And again, it's going to be 3 and 3. 3 small to mediums. 3 mediums to large, rather. And then 3 small to mediums in the pack. So here goes some more tights or pantyhose. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 24. Those there. Those there. Alright. We go some more of the same ones as the purple ones. It's a single leg pantyhose. Nice red color, and you can see the nice red lace on there on top. Very nice. So what do you got? 6 here. So that's 1, 2. There's 4 in there. 1, 2, 3. So that's 18, 19, 20, 22. 22 of these, and again, small to medium, medium to large. So these are the same ones as the royal blue ones. They look very nice as well. So I'll put that there like this. Alright. Let's see, what are these? These are some fashion socks with a nice little lace on the top there. So you got 6 pairs here of fashion socks. So that's 6. This is 12. 12 of those. Alright, here comes some more. Another 12 pair of fashion socks, but in black. And again, it's got that lace up on top of the sock there. So there you go. 12 more. You got them in black, you got them in white. A lot of variations, which is nice. Here go some thigh-high stockings. That's what they look like there. So there you go. There's 3 pairs in here. Now this will be loaded up in our eBay store throughout the week, the weekend. Alright. Here go some more. These are like a blue purplish. Looks like a royal purple almost. I don't know if you could tell by her picture there. That's what they look like. So you got 1, 2, 3 of those. So move those there. Here we got some knee-high socks. 5 to 10 as far as size. And that's what they would look like if you wear them. These are black with red. So you got 1 pair, 2 pair, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got 12 of these. And they got price in the back, $4.50. One size fits all. Women's shoe size. So there you go. 12 of these socks. Well, I gotta say that the manifest was like 100% correct, because it said it was a mixture of socks and pantyhose and high tights, and that's exactly what it is, so it's good. Now, what is this with a little lace on top? This is another thigh high, and it's got a little lace on top there. Size medium to large. So there you go. Let's see, I mean, most likely there's probably 6 in the pack. Yeah, 6 in the pack, so we have 12 of these. No, hold on, I got more. 6, 12, 18. Alright, got 18 of those. Put that there like that. And we got a couple pair of just regular socks here. So I pair these up in 2s. And most likely it's probably 12 of these as well, since everything seems to be coming in 12s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's got more. 12, 13, 14. So 14 pairs of socks here. Probably sell them in pairs of 2s or 3s, maybe 3s or 4s, who knows. We'll see. Maybe we'll do 2. If there's 14, we can do 2 packs of 7. Get rid of them faster. And here goes some nice green tights. Oh, looks like the single leg tights like the other ones. It's got the same lace on top. So almost like the blue ones and the red ones. So you got blue, red, and green. Maybe I'll do like a 3-pack. 1 red, 1 blue, or red, blue, 1 green. Just gotta see what the size on these are, but it's probably one size fits most, if anything. So if anything, I'll just throw it in there. It's like a 3-pack with 3 different colors. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So 12 of these. Leave them in the box. It's got a nice lace up on top there. But there's 12 of those, and there's plenty of blues and reds and blues. So probably do red, blue, and green as a 3-pack. And see how that goes. And then we've got these brown ones that look like the same thing. So if these brown ones are the same thing, maybe I'll do a 4-pack instead. And I'll do a 4-pack of the red, blue, green, and blue. And then we'll do a combo. And there seems to be 6 to a pack, so there's 24 here, because there's 4 packs. And then these are the final ones for this one. Oh, that's a nice pattern down the middle there. But these are also one size fits all. And these are like a white or a cream color. And let's see. It says one size fits all from 4'10" to 5'8", from 95 to 160 pounds. So it's mostly like small to large kind of thing. But again, we've got 3, 6, 12 of these. So that's it for box number 3. Looks pretty good. We got a lot of new tights and pantyhose and socks, which we didn't have before and we have now. So we can definitely do a little combo here and combine a lot of this material together. Instead of selling like just reds and only blues, we can do a combo and do red, blue, green, brown, and see if that sells better if we do one color of each. So thank you for watching. Appreciate it. As always, give us a thumbs up. This is box number 3 of 4. We've got 1 box left, which is that one down there. That one down there we went through yesterday, and the other box is already up in storage. So we ended up with some good stuff again. I'm not sure why the video is jumping there. Might be my phone. But thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. This is Josie in Orlando, and as always, you can't sell if you don't list. So make sure you list your items. Happy listing. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next video.